This is the oldest building of Wittenberg College. The east wing of the building was completed in 1846 and built by the students and faculty of the school. The other wings were begun in 1850 and completed in December of 1851. Then in 1916, with a generous gift from the Myers family of Ashland, Ohio, a thorough renovation took place, and the portico and pillars and familiar red hue of Myers Hall was complete. Then as now, Myers Hall is the centerpiece of our campus. 1 week from today, our newest class of alumni will cross the stage in Commencement Hollow, then come up the path and jump on the seal, a rite reserved for Wittenberg alumni, just down the hill from Myers Hall. As I have traveled the country this year and met with alumni of all generations, one thing they have consistently asked me is, when will Myers be red again? Today I'm proud to announce our mini campaign to restore the red. Over the course of this summer, we will raise the funds to bring the blush back into the walls of Wittenberg's oldest building and repair the cupola, which holds the bell that rings out for Wittenbergers across the generations and around the world. So join me as we restore the red at Wittenberg University.